Hello students of Standard 7. In Geography, you are going to learn a new chapter, that is Chapter 6, Energy and Power Resources, Part 1. Today, power resources, power is an important requirement for all over the world. It is very important, essential for the development of economic conditions of any nation. So you should know about the power resources. What is it? The resources which are used to generate power or energy. And what are utilized to generate power or to obtain energy? Such as coal, petroleum, natural gas, water, nuclear fuels, solar energy and wind. So all these are utilized to obtain energy. If we see and classify, there are two types of energy resources. First is conventional sources of energy. Second is non-conventional sources of energy. What are the conventional sources of energy? These are exhaustible sources of energy like coal and petroleum, which are also produce pollution, and they are exhaustible. Some days they may be depleted. Second, non-conventional sources of energy, which are inexhaustible, can be renewed again and again. We can get from the nature free of cost. They are natural gifts. So these are not producing pollution, and therefore non-conventional sources of energies are eco-friendly. On the basis of renewability, there are two types of energy resources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are the natural gifts we can get again and again. They are inexhaustible. They cannot be depleted, and they are pollution free. They are eco-friendly. Non-renewable sources of energy. They are conventional sources of energy. Cannot be renewed. We cannot get again when it is utilized. So they are fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Also there are the hydroelectricity, that is also counted among the non-renewable sources of energy. So these are not eco-friendly because they increase pollution. Today I am going to explain renewable energy resources. There are many renewable energy resources such as wind energy or solar energy or that is nuclear power energy. So here you are going to learn about solar power. The energy which is released by the sun is utilized as the power, and that is utilized with the help of photovoltaic technology. There are many devices in which solar energy is produced. Solar energy which is coming from the sun is changed into the electricity, and the devices which are being utilized these days are solar cooker, solar heater, solar lamp, and in some of the cities they are utilized for the traffic, for the signals, and there are street lights being utilized these days in the village area also. So these are very important energy resources, and they are cheaper also, can be installed anywhere. They are very important because they are pollution free, eco-friendly, and they are renewable sources of energy. At the same time, there are some demerits. Some of the solar energy large devices cost very high to install them. So, they are very expensive. These solar energy that is affected by the weather condition or climatic condition. During the cloudy weather or rainy days, it cannot produce energy much and therefore it is not very useful during these days. So, solar energy, which is very important, many of the countries are utilizing and large, they are installed and producing solar energy on large scale for their industries, for various purposes. Like some of the countries are Germany, Italy, China and USA. They produce solar energy on large scale. In our country also, in some of the parts of our country, they are installed and the solar energy is produced, that is being utilized for various purposes in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. These are some states where it is being utilized largely. Thank you.